Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious popsicles using just an ice tray. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your preferred liquid, like juice or a fruit puree, and an ice cube tray. Don't forget small sticks or even toothpicks to hold your frozen treats. You can also add small pieces of fruit for an extra burst of flavor and a delightful texture. Now let's prepare your popsicle mixture. If you're using juice, it's ready to go. For fruit purees or yogurt, blend them until smooth. You can add a tablespoon or 2 of sugar or honey if you prefer a sweeter treat. Stir everything together well to ensure a consistent flavor throughout. Give it a quick taste test and adjust as needed before moving on. Next, carefully pour your prepared mixture into each compartment of the ice cube tray, filling them almost to the top. To keep your sticks upright, you can cover the tray with plastic wrap and poke the sticks through it. Insert 1 small stick or toothpick into the center of each cube. Place the tray flat in your freezer for a minimum of 4 hours or until completely solid. Once your popsicles are completely frozen, it's time to enjoy them. Take the tray out of the freezer. To easily release them, run a little warm water over the bottom of the ice tray for a few seconds. Then, gently twist the tray and pull each popsicle out by its stick. They are perfect for a refreshing treat on a warm day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.